Let us continue 8.4. And what is there for your assignment? You have to complete it by tomorrow. You have 2 days. It's today and tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Give me a moment. Okay, so now it has uploaded 8.4. So yesterday, once again, if I revise, we have studied about 2 types of angles. One was vertical angles, which are exactly opposite to each other. If I say angle ABC and angle DBE, these two are vertical angles. And then adjacent angles, if I talk about adjacent angles, angle ABE and angle EBD, they are adjacent angle, they are next to each other. Then I told you how these opposite angles are equal. We will equate them and we'll find out the value of x. This is how what we have learned yesterday. Again, this is very important that when you add them, you get 90 degrees. I told you they are complementary angles. If you get 180 degrees, that are called as supplementary angles. And here in this picture, what are they have asked us? This one, not this one. This picture, girls, what we did yesterday. Again, what are opposites angle? Angle 1, be very careful, girls. Angle 1 and angle 3 are opposite, vertical angles. What are they called? Opposite to each other, they are called as vertical angles. Remember, angle 1 and angle 5, no, they're not vertical angles. Angle 1 and angle 2, no. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. Be very clear with this. 1 and 2, which are side by side, they are called as adjacent. 3, 4 and 5 here, they are adjacent. 1 and 2, they are called as adjacent. But when I'm talking about 1 and 3, they are vertical angles. And I told you when I add 9x plus 90, I get 9x equal to 90. I equate them. 9x equal to 90 because opposite angles are always equal. So 9x equal to 9x equal to 90, x equal to 90 over 9, that you got it as 10. So this is what all we have done yesterday. So in today's class, let us start with the new problem solving. Yeah, all right. Simple, girls. Adjacent to W. If I say adjacent to W, what is next to W you see here in the picture, Zishan? What is next to W? Adjacent. I'm not saying opposite to W. I'm saying adjacent, that is next, which is what is next side of W, girls? Zishan, can you answer me this?
Yes, miss.
Yes. What do you see next to? Adjacent means, you know, just beside W. What do you see? Which angle do you see beside W?
Why?
Is it beside? That is opposite. That is called as vertical. I'm saying beside. Beside means who's sitting next to W?
Z?
X and Z. Very good. Angle X, angle Z. Majduleen?
Yes.
If I ask you what is opposite to W, what is it opposite?
Y.
Y. So that is called the vertical angle. Did you get it? Opposite will be called as vertical,
Yeah.
which is side, it is called as adjacent. What is it? Adjacent. Now, question number 8, list two pairs of adjacent angles. If I want to say the pairs, angle KOL, O must be in between, girls. KOL is just adjacent to LOM. Angle LOM is also adjacent to MON. I need to say which is next to it. So please write it down. Question number 9. Find the value of X. Find the value of X. So 9x equals to, 1 minute. First write down the 7th and now question 10. Again, I'm asking 5x plus 30 equals 125. They are opposite to each other. When they are opposite to each other, what angles are they called? Judy, Noor, anyone can answer me. What type of angle if they are opposite to each other? Is it adjacent or vertical?
Adjust.
If they're opposite to each other, just like this, see? If they are just opposite like this.
Oh, vertical.
Vertical. If they're beside each other, they are called as adjacent. This is vertical because they're exactly opposite to each other, and vertical angles are always vertical. Please write the reason. Angles are always equal. Vertical angles are always vertically opposite angles are always equal. So when of course, when I want to compare it, I will send 30 to the other side. 5x equal 125 minus 30 because I want to find out x. What is 125 minus 30? Please calculate with a calculator. What is 125 minus 30? I guess it's 95. Is it correct? Out?
Yes, it's 95.
Okay, so what is 95 over 5? X equal 95. It will be over
19.
95 over 5. What is 95 over 5? X equal
19.
19. That is your answer. X equal 19. I hope you understood this part. Girls, just put a cross mark, but I want to do this question with you. Put a cross mark to this question, but I want to do with this with you. Here, if I give me a moment, girls. A moment. Hello, can you see the screen now?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Let me go to the page. I think it's here. Yes, I got it. Now, girls, here. So did you finish writing 10? Did you finish writing 10? Girls,
Yes.
finish writing 10, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, please, I'll give you some time. 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 equal 90. When angle 1 is 42, what is the angle of measure? Try to do is 42 plus x equal, do this way, girls. 42 plus 42 plus 3x equal 90. Come on, girls. I will give you some time and please try to solve this. Listen to me very carefully, guys. This is a complementary angle. When you add angle 1 plus angle 2, you get 90 degrees. If you add angle 1 plus angle 2, you get 90 degrees. And then angle 1 is 42. Angle 2 is 3x. So when you add 42 plus 3x, you get 90 degrees. And 3x equals 90 minus 42. 42 goes to another side and become minus. So you get 48 and you divide by 3, you get 16. Anyone who did not get this? Miral, did you understand this? Majduleen?
Yes.
Judy? Noor?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Judy, I know that your mic is not working. Okay, all right. So shall I clear it? Did you write it down? Okay, now come here. Angle A and angle B are supplementary angles. What is the meaning of supplementary angles? Who's gonna say me? Noor? Supplementary angle, is it 90 degrees or 180 degrees? Supplementary angles. Majduleen, supplementary angle means, is it 180 or is it 90?
Miss, can I answer?
Let others participate, Zishan. If you answer all of my questions.
I'm Noor.
Noor, yes, Noor, you can.
180.
Excellent. Supplementary angle. This is a question in your, what do you call, as graded material. 180 means it is a supplementary angle. So they told clearly that angle A is 3 times large as B. And find the measures of A and B. So, okay, 3x because 3 angle A. I don't know how to put that angle. Shall I? This is angle A? No. Anyways, I'll write 3 angle A, 3 times of angle A equals 3 times of angle A plus angle B equals 180. Okay, so I don't know 3 angle A, let us be x, 3x plus x equal 180. All right, so you get 4x equal to 180 because let the angle be x, 3 times of that is 3x, 3x plus x is 4x. You know that there is nothing here, that means 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. They are brothers and sisters, x and x is same, I can just add them, 4x equals 180. If I want to just find x, 4 will go down, x equals 180 over 4. That is x equals 180 is 4 is a 16, 45 degrees. So angle A is 3 times 45. 3 times 45, that is equals to 135. And angle A, this is angle, girls, this is angle B. 3 times 45 is angle A, and this is angle B. Angle B equals 45. Once again, listen to me very carefully. In the question they give you, 3 times angle A is 3 times as B. So let the angle B be x. So 3 times of x is 3x. 3x plus x is equal to 180. Why 180? Because of supplementary angles. Because of supplementary angles, SUPP. SUPP. I'll just write SUPP so that you know this is supplementary angle. 4x equals to 180, x you got as 45. So I wrote let angle B equals x. So angle B is 45. So 3 times of 45 is 135. That is angle A. Any question? Good point, good point. Please copy this and let me know if you're finished. Now here in question 15, angle 1 is 50. Angle 1 and the other angle that measures 50 are supplementary. So angle 1 plus 50 is 180. So if I want to find out angle M, so both will be same. Angle 1 and angle M equal, angle 1 and angle 3 will be 130. How? Angle 1 plus 50 is 180. So angle 1 will be 180 minus 50. You know very well that 50 will go to the other side. Like example, if I want to find out angle 1 here, angle 1 equal 180 minus 50. So what do I get? I got as 130. Same way, angle 3 equals 180 minus 50. Even that you got as 130. So both are equal. That's why they're showing, show them that both are equal. We have shown that both are equal. Now here, last one, assessment practice. B is 125, angle B is 125. Now, again, one more thing you must know that the straight line, this is always 180. That's always supplementary angle that is called as 180. So 55 plus, what did they give you angle B? Angle B, they give you as 125. 125. Okay, Martin incorrectly writes that this is 25. So X, I don't know how much Martin actually gets. He wrote it wrong. Equals 90 girls. Why 90? Why not 180? Because half, see this one? This is a right angle. This is a right angle. So angle B plus 55 has to be 90. Half, I'm not taking A. I'm not taking this A. I'm taking B plus 55 is 90. That is 55 plus X is 90. So if I say X equals 90 minus 55, please tell me what is 90 minus 55? 90 minus 55, how much it is? 35. So X equals 35 degrees. So this is the mistake and he got it as 35. He subtracted not from 90, he did from 180. This is the mistake he did. He subtracted from 180 instead of 90. B, this is the mistake he did. So that's it for today's class, math class. We'll go for science after 5 minutes. Now girls, do remember after 2 p.m., please check your, platform And the test is, the assignment is there till tomorrow. You have enough time. You can do in the evening or tomorrow with, you can, you